Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Happy to present Moha K. I believe that is how he pronounces his name. And rap artist from Morocco, I believe. And I think his name is Mohammed Kaid, so I think that is how you should pronounce his name, Moha Mohammed K. Alright, not sure, I think so. Anyway, let's go into the song called Mayday. So Mohammed here is in some sort of emergency. And let's go into this song with the capo on second, all right? That's the best setup for us. 4 chords, A minor, F, G, and D minor. That's what's going on. So let's start with the chords. A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret and push down all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. All right, G is next. So that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. And finally, we have the D minor. And that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. All right, so we're gonna handle these chords with this string pattern. All right, so you're gonna start with the first half, which is down, up, clap, down. So 1 down, and then short pause, and then up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. And then you have a pause till the second half of it, which will be down, clap, down. So if you connect these two parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. Couple rounds goes like this. All right, but we'll not stay with the A minor only. We'll rotate when it comes to chords. So we're gonna play one of these 20 rounds per chord in the same order we learned them. So A minor 1, F1, G1, and D minor 1 through the entire song. So let's go. That's it, guys. So thank you. Mayday is Mayday. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this, guys. And when it comes to show your appreciation, please feel free to like this tutorial. And yeah, till next time, play tune.